student. Now question number 16, exercise 2.2, grade 8. The organizer of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100. So if you are participating in a competition and if you win that competition, then you will get a prize of ₹100. For the winners they have selected, they will give ₹100 for each winner. And participant who does not win, it means those who has not won that competition, and they will also get the prize of ₹25. Then they said the total prize money distributed is 3,000. Okay, so total cash they have distributed ₹3,000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants are 63. I have told you earlier which you need to find out, that you have to let it down. So find the number of winners. So we will let the number of winners first. So solution, write down, let number of winners is equal to X. Now you will let the number of participant who does not win. Okay, so number of participant who didn't win is equal to, because total participants are 63 and X won the competition, so 63 minus X. So you can subtract from the total to the winner to get the number of participants who doesn't win. So 63 minus X. These are the number of participants who didn't win. Now you have to write the total money given to the winners. They have told you, for one winner they will give the prize of ₹100. So if the winners are X, so total money given by them should be 100 into X. So just erase this part first. Okay, they have told we will find the total number of, okay, the total money given to the winners, See, for one winner they are giving ₹100. For X winners, so it will be 100 multiply X. It means 100X. Okay, this much money they have to give to the winners. Then you will write total money which they have given to the participant who didn't win. Total money given to the participants who didn't win is equal to, see, the total participants who didn't win is 63 minus X, and they have given ₹25 to the one person. So if 63 minus X are the total person of them, so you will multiply them together to get the money of it. So 63 minus X multiply 25, then you will get the total money which is distributed to the participant who didn't win. So this is the money distributed to the winners. This is the money distributed to the losers. So at the end we know the total cash what they have distributed. The money they distributed to the winners plus the money they have distributed to the participant who didn't win. So according to the question, if you will add, then you will get the total cash distributed. So we will write here according to the question, 100X plus this money, 25 into 63 minus X, and this is also given to you. It is an amount of 3,000 because they have distributed ₹3,000. Now we will solve this equation to get the value of X. This is 100X. First we will solve the bracket. Okay, or what you want to shift it. First we will solve the bracket. So 25 into 63. What you will get? 1575. So 25 into X is 25X plus minus minus, which is equal to 3,000. Further, if you will solve it, what you will get? So just check. If you see here, X terms, we will keep them to the one side. So 100X minus 25X, and the numbers which don't have X, we will shift to the another side. So 3,000 is already present here. So we will keep this number to the another side. Here it is with the positive. When you will shift, it will come with the negative sign. Now if you solve it further, what you will got? See clearly. 100 minus 25 is 75x. if you will further solve 3000 minus 1575, it will come 1425. So now what you will do, you will take this x over here and shift this 75 to the other side. So you will get 1425. Here it is multiply, then it will divide over there. When you will do the cutting, you will get 19. Here I have directly cut. You can cut on the small table also. So here you can see 75 and these two are cutting on the table of when you will cut on the table of 75, it will come with the 19. So it means that x you have got is equal to 19. So this must be the value. And what you need to find out in this question, you need to find out the number of winners which you have already let x, and x we have found. So therefore you have to write number of winners is equal to 19. This is all about the question number 16 of exercise 2.2. Hope you have understood. So kindly just if you have any problem, WhatsApp me and I will resolve it. Thank you so much, students.